In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your presentation in Canva. Now, as you can see here, I have a presentation, and this is a 10-page presentation that I have, and I want to download and share it with my friends. Now, once you have finished working on your presentation and your slides are ready, all you need to do to download it is to go up here on the top right and then click on the share icon here. And from here, we have the download option, which is this. Go ahead and click on it. And this will show the number of pages that you want to download. If you don't want to download all the pages, you can go ahead and select the number of pages or the pages that you want to download. And from this, you can even go ahead and select or download a single page by unselecting all the other pages. But if you want to download all the pages in your presentation, leave it as it is, or you can tap here, all pages. And this will make sure that all pages are selected. Alternatively, you can just tap on this select all, and this will select all the pages in your presentation. Go ahead and tap on done. And then once you are ready, go ahead and hit on download button here. And then your presentation will be downloaded. As you can see here, the download process has begun. Here it is, it has been downloaded. So our presentation is ready and it is on our computer. If you want to download it in another form, maybe you didn't want to download it in PDF form, you can still go ahead and tap on download. But this time around, go ahead and select the standard in which you want to download. For instance, here it was in a PDF format. If you wish to download it in another format, you can use this down arrow here to select the format under which you want to download it. Suppose you want to download as a PNG, you can go ahead and select the PNG option and then go ahead and download it. By doing so, it will be downloaded in a PNG format. So that's how you download your presentation in Canva. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.